So, andito tayo ngayon sa Belize Tower to Serendra BGC to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit, corner or end unit. Total floor area is 127 square meters, 3 bedrooms with parking, and with servants or maids quarter. So this is the kitchen area. Meron na siyang laundry or maid's room. Then may toilet tayo dyan. And over and under cabinets. This is going to be your dining and living area. And then we have a balcony here. Facing amenities and city view. So it's a wrap-around balcony. Ayan. Then meron tayong hallway dito. It's bedroom 1. Common bathroom. And then bedroom 2. Facing amenities with built-in cabinets. And then this is the primary or the master's bedroom. We have floor-to-ceiling windows on both sides because again this is a corner unit or end unit. Facing amenities. And that's market. With ensuite bathroom and built-in cabinets. So yan, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. So as you can see, the unit is actually in good condition. Livable yung status niya. And it looks like hindi po siya natirhan ng previous owner. So this is as is where is. Upon turnover and submission of offers first come first served basis. This is around 38.5 million, negotiable. And available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance through in-house and bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. May pababos na dito sa red. Parks and Play. Diba? Ganda. Ito, may swimming pool na naman, oh. Diba? Ang ganda talaga dito. No, koi pond. Ganda, di ba? Ang ganda talaga dito sa Serendra, oh. Para kang wala sa BGC pag nasa loob ka ng Serendra. So many open spaces. Tapos may swimming pool pa. Tapos ang dami rin swimming pools dito. Check natin yung isang pool. Maganda dito sa Serendra. Parang wala ka sa BGC.